This is the first video on the Flutter course series. In this video, we are going to see what Flutter is. We are going to understand this with an example. Let's assume you are an Android developer. So you created an app on Android which became popular, and now you are getting requests like when this app will be available for iOS. So after many reviews, you decided to create the app for iOS. Now, after learning iOS app development, you created your app for iOS and released your app to App Store. Great. Now you have your app for both Android and iOS platform. Now what happens is whenever you want to release any update to application, you have to code the features for you both Android and iOS platform separately. So that is double the amount of work like coding two times. So eliminating this issue, we have Flutter. So now what is Flutter? Flutter is the toolkit to design beautiful apps for all screen sizes. It comes with many widgets. It has many widgets pre-built. So what it does is using a single code base, that is we don't have to code separately for Android and iOS. Using a single code base, we create apps for both Android and iOS. So what Flutter does, it requests a blank window from the mobile device. Now what Flutter does is it draws all of its widgets components onto the blank window. The biggest features of Flutter is that it draws over the blank window, which makes the UI similar in all the platforms. That is, it does not happen depend on the platform. To sum up, Flutter engine requests a blank window from the device and draw all of its widget interaction etc. into that window without depending on the platform. This was a basic introduction to Flutter. The key feature is you don't have to code separately for different platforms. Flutter is all about widgets. It is easy to code and learn. Uses Dart programming languages. It is designed and developed by Google. Here you can see Flutter is an open source framework by Google for building beautiful multi-platform application for a single code base. Okay, so in the next video we will see why Flutter, and I will show a little introduction on how easy it is create mobile app in Flutter. Like just we have to combine widgets and we will able to create our app. Thank you for watching. Like, comment and subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.